I want to show today's live post-surgery transplant result. Patient directly came from USA to get it done. So it is absolutely an honor for me that patient across the world are coming to me for gynecomastia and all kind of cosmetic surgeries. So I just want the patient to share about his experience, because the patient coming from different country and they have lots of questions in mind. So how has been the procedure, if they are saying that will happen or not. So everywhere, if I go to other country, I have same kind of questions. So I want the patient to share his experience. Sir, please.
Hello everyone. So basically this whole gynecomastia issue, it exists in me for last about 18 years, and fortunately I started browsing online via Google to check if I could find a solution for this, and I was really fortunate enough to find Dr. Arth Shah online. One of the great things what I learned about Rejuva Aesthetica was the whole procedure, from the start to end, what they try to follow is very step by step. The explanation of, from the start to the end, like how they go through the procedure, what are the steps, like what are they going to do, but all the procedure operations were informed to me in a very detailed manner. I contacted Arth Shah about 6 months ago. I was in US and I started browsing, and I thought, okay, let me talk to this gentleman and see, what are the ways, if there's any way I could, improve this, whether it's going to be through medication or what was the best way out of it. And what I really liked about Arth was his honest opinion was either you stop thinking about it, or you can at least, if you really want to get rid of it, then yeah, the surgery is the only way. And then he explained me clearly about, what exactly the steps were. And before contacting him, I actually, to be honest, I saw at least like 50 YouTube videos, because I'm a very picky person. I try to, look at things very clearly before I make this type of decision. I also contacted, there were other surgeons in this area. I wanted to pick Ahmedabad because that's my hometown, and I wanted to feel home. Like there were other places in India, of course, but I wanted a place where I could speak my language, which is Gujarati, and I could feel that coming into a family. So talking to Arth, he gave me a very honest opinion about all the things, what exactly the procedure was. And to be honest, like, just yesterday, I landed in Ahmedabad airport, and then right from there, just today, like actually this morning, the whole procedure started. It went pretty smooth, and the results are, yet to come with after a few weeks, but I don't experience any lot of pain with all the medications and the treatment they've given to me. So thank you, Dr. Arth. It was really a great experience, and I wish, like, somehow I just found you online, and I was going through this whole issue for so many years, and it's just like, God has just given me a direction and to just come to you. So it was just a matter of, like, I found somebody who is.
So I always have goosebumps when patient says God is the one who has met me. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable inputs. And I always wish that it is not a thing to be worry upon. So don't worry at all. If you have this problem, then definitely you can visit any of the plastic surgeon, and they will definitely going to help you out. And we just need only 40 to 50 minutes. So don't suffer too much by psychologically. If you have this problem, go with the plastic surgeon, and we also can help you out in 40 to 50 minutes, and you can get rid of it. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.